this is Brittany with WTI, and this YnM weighted blanket is one of my top items I cannot live without. Look how thin this is, okay? It's just one thin blanket that gives you 20 pounds of weight. It's like magic, and it is just so great and so comforting and helps me get the best night's sleep. So I also really like two other things about this blanket. First of all, you'll notice it has the little squares. So because it is stitched with all these little compartments, it helps the beads inside not move. So you don't have to worry about the weight distribution getting cockeyed or getting off or anything like that. It stays even pressure across your entire bed. This is the queen size. I got the queen size for the 20-pound one. And so the weight stays evenly distributed, but also the material of this one is not too hot. This one is so nice. It's just this nice cotton that helps you stay cool without overheating you since you are weighed down. So if you are looking for a weighted blanket, look no further, because by far, I think this is the best. It's great quality, great bang for your buck, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.